It's the real deal. I've tried a lot of other stuff. I've tried all the new AI stuff. I've tried all the marketing companies that are newer and they say that they're amazing. I spent a lot of money on those. If anyone is skeptical about joining the $1 Million Agent Method, I would say just give them a chance on the phone. They're good people. They have their heart in the right place. They have your business interest at heart, and they've done it. So a little bit about me, I'm Chris Perez, and I'm a local South Florida native, born and raised. I've been licensed since 2004, so 20 years now. My typical year is in and around 19 to 25, 30 homes a year. I recently joined the $1 Million Agent Method, and one of the largest missing pieces in my business was time blocking and managing my time, creating the boundaries around life and the things that happens. And I knew that I needed to take immediate action, which is something that I didn't really normally do in the past. I would always think about it and overthink, but I've known Aaron for a long time, since Mike Ferry, and not really close, just, from a distance. He's obviously been a great agent. As I was joining EXP, he kept mentioning Real Estate B School and $1 Million Agent Method and his old coach, Lars. So he had a gala and he invited me to the gala. I went to that gala and Lars was there and he spoke, and it was very sincere. He spoke about his family, how he wanted to be close to his kids and his wife, that he wanted to create a certain life for them and wanted to be present with them. He spoke about his faith and how he wanted to be closer to God. He wanted to use the business to create that, and that he had figured out a way to do that. Having seen Lars in person allowed me to really know and understand what kind of a person he is, of what an amazing agent, father, husband that he is and is trying to be, which are all of the goals that I wanted for myself and in my life. So then I just went with my gut, and I knew that I needed to scale and take it to a different level. And it's been great. It's changed a lot of my activities. It's changed a lot of how I run my business, changed what I do for my future business and for growth and for scaling, which is the stepping stone. It's the foundation. That's where we're at right now. They had everything that I needed in order to grow, and it's already like an ecosystem for you to take on and make it your own, so that it's a little easier for us, because it's really daunting to take on all of these tasks that we now have to do. We have to be the salesperson, we have to be the telemarketer, we have to be kind of like the psychologist of the clients. So the system, the program, MDAM, and your coach really help you to figure out how to put these in the right place and how to delegate them so that you can actually do the most important part, which is generate business. The biggest question really for me was, can Chris Perez actually stick to it and do it? And that's where my coach really helped me by putting things into perspective and helped me figure out how to manage my time better so I can actually stick to the schedule. It definitely has been 100% worth it. Everyone here has been awesome. Really, everyone in the program, my coach, Brian, Annalise, everyone that I have interacted with, they're just great people. So that allowed me to just drop my guard, to be honest. I was relying on my relationship skills to kind of just get my deals. I have a lead source, but it's not something you can really depend on. It's not listings, it's not through prospecting. And I had stopped prospecting for a long time. And that's something that my coach really helped me put into perspective. I got back on the horse of prospecting, which I hadn't been doing at all for a while, at least 2 or 3 years. I had lost a rhythm, had lost, just what to say. And it's back on track. I'm more familiar with my scripts that are more natural now. I feel comfortable on the phone. I'm actually making calls now. I'm sticking to my hours. I'm keeping the promise to myself of actually getting it done. And the numbers are showing. I already have a full week of prospecting, and I have 2 appointments. I've got 3 people that I'm following up with that actually told me, I would like to meet with you. I want to do business with you. That would have never had happened had I not started calling and had I not been pushed by my coach to actually get it done. It's the real deal. I've tried a lot of other stuff. I've tried all the new AI stuff. I've tried all the marketing companies that are newer and they say that they're amazing. I spent a lot of money on those. If anyone is skeptical about joining the $1 Million Agent Method, I would say just give them a chance on the phone. They're good people. They have their heart in the right place. They have your business interest at heart, and they've done it. They've been there. They've accomplished it. They've done it. The proof is in the pudding. Lars and $1 Million Agent Method has figured out the formula.